for a 3-hour flight.
Okay, can you show us the inside of the airplane? Very nice. This is a nice airplane. Very good. Can you show us the bathroom and the toilet? There you go. It's a nice little sink. So how many people can sit in this airplane?
5 people
Very good. And how far you can go?
for a 3-hour flight.
3-hour flight? Great. Awesome. Can you show us the cockpit of the aircraft? We'll follow you.
Yes, it's nice.
Is this nice?
Yes, it's nice.
Is this one of your favorite airplanes? All right, can you give us a big smile?
Subscribe
Subscribe to what?
to the Lyrics 40 video.
All right, thank you.